EVAX stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I'm the only person in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, and it's all on my YouTube channel. Documented then. EVAX, well, when it was pumping, I was like, yeah, I'm looking to take it further down. We went from 5, now we're 1. Now, instead of just yapping, let me actually show you. This is 3 months ago, the end of January, and yeah, look, I looked to take it down. At the time, it was 366 actually, and then from there, this is exactly what I had. It just kind of kept doing its thing, right? And all I can tell you is that sure thing that has happened now. What's next now, you know? We're currently inside a supply zone, so only if I see the price giving me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to take it down. But like randomly selling, it's not going to be happening, especially now. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.